little bit of both.
Let's take a video of Harper.
Here we are at the Hoover Dam. My intensely hot wife.
Harper, look.
Beautiful
Harper's
chunk of a baby.
Dam.
Harper. Hi.
She's like, this is such a fun time.
And
It's amazing.
if I dropped my phone, it would go a long way down.
Holy cow. Makes my stomach a little queasy.
Yeah. Makes me want to come up and grab somebody's ankles from behind them. Just to mess with them. Wow. Incredible. Here's Cole, Mandy. Here is the bridge over here. Well, I can't really enjoy how big it is from here. It's amazing though.
That we have in our grasp the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will.
Can you summon the will?
It's amazing that they made this in the 20s.
One of the 10 most honored
That blows my
construction
mind.
achievements of the 20th century.
Amazing.
Stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next presentation is
Stop
located
videoing us.
across